The Reserve Bank of India step in to do its bit to address the rout in the money market. Do remember that the Indian currency has crossed the 73 mark against the greenback, creating a lot of chaos in the money market, stoking concerns. In fact, as far as RBI's intervention is concerned, it continued the extension of easing ECB norms. Remember, this started 2 weeks back. In fact, the RBI targeted PSU oil marketing companies, easing ECB norms for them, whereby the RBI has clarified that PSU oil companies can actually raise loans with a tenure of about 3 to 5 years via the automatic route with a ceiling of about $10 billion. Now, this is expected to free up a lot of liquidity as far as the foreign exchange loans are concerned in the system, and also help oil marketing companies in the public sector to tide through the working capital requirement that they may face over the next couple of months. So how will this measure help? How will this intervention of the Reserve Bank of India help? It will help on two levels. One, it will increase the level of forex inflow we are seeing in the economy, and this in turn will allow us to narrow the fiscal gap. Remember that the current account deficit has been a huge concern for all stakeholders. In fact, we have been trying various measures to ensure that the fiscal deficit woe can be adequately addressed. With this, the Reserve Bank of India wants to kill two birds with one stone. On one hand, this will not only address the widening current account deficit, but also help to curb the free fall of the Indian rupee against the greenback in the money market. This is something that will take time to pan out, but experts feel that this should significantly help ease the pressure on the Indian rupee, and we'll see how the money market reacts to this.